Hey everyone, how's it going? And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get shift lock on Roblox mobile. So let's just load up any random game. As you can see, we have Barry's Prison. So we're just gonna hit on play and we're gonna show you what you can do. Also, disclaimer, shift lock does not exist, but there is one setting that you can change, which is the closest to shift lock. Other than that, there is like unfortunately no other possible way. So right over here, click on top left in settings, and then we're gonna go into settings, the second option. As you can see, camera mode, right now it is on default, but if I go to the next one, which is classic, you need to set your settings into this one, camera mode classic, and this is the closest thing you're gonna get to shift lock. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.